Just want to show you for the D20 Smart Plus. We are doing for the installation according to the standard of the installation, what we supposed to be do, and it's very important. Right. So this one, let me show you. First, where is it? This is this one. This cap here between from the base plate from the motor is for the 300, right? So that is right. And for the bar for the rake and between for the pinion have to be 3 mm gap. So that one also is fine. And we put for the isolator, this is very important also, 1 meter from the motor. So that is also is 100%. And that wheel, just show the wheel. This is a wheel we put for the shock wheel. So this is the best wheel for the heavy gate, and it's gonna be running smoothly with the round bar. Alright, so you have to check the level when you're putting, and this one also you have to check that is for the straight both sides. So everything is fine, perfect according to the standard of the installation. This is the proper way. Like if you get the qualified installer, they have to do like this. Then you will never have the problem with the gate, because if you get the qualified installer for the smart motor, that means you're going to be gate for the 3-year warranty, right? If your installer is not right and we don't know what you're doing, so this warranty is going to be less for the 1 year, because this motor is going to be worked last 10 years without anything if you install proper. And also very important thing here, we put for the anti-lift. This is very important. So when the gate is going to close, so that thing, you see that by the end have to be stopped there, and then no one can lift it up. And this is also very important. This is called the gate tail. We should have this gate tail also. So we put also the piece of that metal to make the gate tail. So everything is 100%.